Hello, my name is Arimam. I am from Corteva Science Malaysia.
Hi, I'm Ryan, also from Corteva Agri-Science Malaysia.
Okay, nice to meet you. Okay.
First time I saw the drone, honestly, I didn't hear about the company's name, Eavision, before this. But after seeing the first demo for the drone, I was quite impressed because compared to the other drones we find here locally, they have a very good spray distribution, and the most impressive thing to me is that it covers the top surface of the leaves and also the bottom surface. So it complements the spray where the insecticide or the pesticide used has the translaminar activity or systemic activity, but the farmers, the most important thing to them is the coverage. The coverage is very important to them, and the penetration from different levels of canopy. So that's what impressed me the most. And after undergoing a 6-day training with Eavision, I find the syllabus and the training to be very comprehensive. When people talk about drone training, they only think about flying the drone and applying it in the real world, in the real work. But Eavision, they also taught us about how to maintain the drone, how to use different systems of the drone, different operative techniques for the drone, how to fly manually, and they have the manual plus, they have the automatic, and the best part is that most of it is fully customizable to your liking or to what you think is the best way to operate the drone. And I think it's a very well spent 6 days of training with Eavision.